Apart from amazing us with his electrifying performances, actor Ritesh Deshmukh is also known for speaking up against social issues. He often shares his thoughts through his social media accounts, and this time was no less. Actor Ritesh Deshmukh has expressed his shock and anger over the alleged sexual assault of two minor girls in Maharashtra's Badlapur. Ritesh took to his ex account and expressed his pain and frustration. He also demanded the hardest punishment for the guilty in the case. In his post, the actor, who is also a parent, wrote, "As a parent, I'm absolutely disgusted, pained, and raging with anger. Two 4-year-old girls were sexually assaulted by a male cleaning staff member of the school. Schools are supposed to be as safe a place for kids as their own homes. Hardest punishment needs to be given to these demons. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj in his times gave the guilty what they deserve. Chaurang. We need these laws back in action. Hashtag Badlapur crime." The alleged sexual assault of two minor girls at a school in Badlapur, Maharashtra has sparked widespread outrage. Maharashtra Chief Minister Eknath Shinde has ordered a high-level probe into the incident and said that a special investigation team had been formed to investigate the case and that those found guilty would face strict action. The Badlapur incident has come just days after the horrific rape and murder of a trainee doctor that took place at R.G. Kar Medical College in Kolkata. Several celebrities, including Alia Bhatt, Sara Ali Khan, and Soni Razdan, among others, have publicly expressed their solidarity following the tragic death of a trainee doctor at Kolkata's R.G. Kar Medical College and Hospital. Alia Bhatt voiced her shock and concern over the incident. She shared a post that read, "Another brutal rape, another day of realization that women are not safe anywhere. Another horrific atrocity to remind us that it's been over a decade since the Nirbhaya tragedy, but still, nothing much has changed." Filmmaker Zoya Akhtar wrote, "Still waiting on the day all women can be independent and safe," on her Instagram handle. Sara Ali Khan shared a post on her Instagram story and demanded justice for women. Veteran actor and Alia Bhatt's mother Soni Razdan expressed her anger on social media. She wrote, "I'm so tired of this hogwash of hearing these words come out from mouth again and again about how we must protect women and give them their rights. Women wouldn't need protecting if men learn that they are not there to be abused. Women have rights, they were born with them. Who is anyone to give the right that is already theirs? Meanwhile, stop talking and start acting on your promises. Make India safe for women." This incident triggered widespread protests across the nation. That's all for today. Thank you.